Hello everyone, myself Piravrat and welcome to the Helpful Techniques. So guys, right now Amazon is hiring for the freshers as well as the experienced candidates for Chennai location. So before discussing further, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you'll be able to get the timely updates regarding latest off campus. And right now Capgemini, IBM Messenger, MDocs, Juho, Cognizant are hiring for various job profile with very good salary packages. And Capgemini is hiring starting from 2019 to 2021 pass out or the best candidates for various job locations or across India, you can say. So we have made a video about the syllabus, about the recruitment process or the new recruitment process. So go through the video. I'll be putting the link in the description of this video. If you are going to attend the Capgemini off campus, then you must watch this video if you want to crack the written test or the interview. So now let's discuss. So this is the career portal of Amazon. So they are hiring for the device associate or the QA engineer. So it is for the Chennai location and it is for the operating IT support engineer, etc. So now let's discuss about the basic qualification required and the job responsibility or the role. So there are two different job profiles we'll be discussing about for this Amazon off campus. So if you are not willing to apply or if you are not eligible for this off campus or particular off campus or the job role, no issues, you can apply for the other off campus or other job profile. It is also for the Chennai location only. So now let's discuss about this first off campus or first job profile. So the role and responsibility will be execute test cases prepared for the testing software builds like QA engineer or the quality assurance engineer. Perform test cases execution and report bugs accurately. Understand the testing procedures and guidelines for the new builds or the releases. So basically you'll be doing as a functional testing or the QA automation testing engineer. You'll be doing the work. So now let's discuss what are the basic qualification required for this off campus. So BSc candidates or the BTech MCA or MSc candidates with IT, ECE, electrical, electronics, engineering background. That means all the computer science, IT background or the electronics, ECE, triple E, etc. candidates can apply for this off campus. Mechanical or the non-IT candidates like mechanical or the civil or the plastic engineering, chemical engineering candidates are not eligible for this off campus, unfortunately. A graduate in any field of study, quantitative fields such as science, engineering and preferred but not mandatory. So this means they are preferring for this MSc, MCA, EC electrical candidates, but it is not mandatory that you belong to the electrical or CSE or CSIS or the IT background. That means they will be getting more preferences, but it is not restricted for the mechanical engineering or the computers, chemical engineering or the civil engineering. So I forgot to mention that thing. So now let's discuss about the other things. Freshers or the candidates, those who belong to the 0 to 2 years of experience in the QA experience or in this field. So that means any year of pass out candidates can apply for this off campus, provided you must be having 0 to 2 years of experience in this particular field. So any year of pass out based candidates can apply, even the 2021 or 2022. Then a graduate in any field of study, again I am repeating, so this is the preferred job qualification required or the background required for this off campus, but any year of pass out or the any qualification background candidates can apply. These are the preferred qualification background required, but it is not mandatory. So flexible and interest in doing the uh, repetitive task is required. High level of energy and proactive nature, sense of ownership and drive and willingness to accept the challenges of the daily deadline is essential. So these are the basic things required for this off campus. So if you are willing to apply for this off campus, simply click on the apply now button here, then you will be able to apply for this off campus. So this is a simple apply process. So after clicking on the apply now button, it will take you to the career portal where you need to log in into your account. So if you have already created an account here, this is the login with Amazon, login with the Amazon jobs account. So Amazon account which we use for the payment, or you can say buying something for the in the Amazon or website, is totally different from this Amazon job page or job account. So you need to first create an account, email address you need to provide, then simply click on the continue. So if you don't have any account in the Amazon jobs, then simply click on this create one. So then you need to upload your updated resume, then you need to accept the terms and condition to apply for this off campus. So it's a very simple process, so that's why I'm ignoring or skipping this part. So now let's discuss about the second job profile. So automation expert they are hiring for, both the things are same, but this is the QA engineer, the previous one. That means you will be doing the manual testing as well as the automation testing as per the requirement. But this one is only for the automation expert, and the experience is needed for this job profile. So that's why I have kept this job profile in the second part. So they are hiring for the Chennai location as well, and the other rest things are same, like customer programs, operations, IT support, engineering, etc. Other things are same. So now let's discuss about the roles or the responsibilities. So as you all know, what does the QA engineer or the automation analyst or the automation expert does? It does the automation testing after development of the software. Then it will be the product will be released or it will be deployed into the production. So this is the basic responsibility. So later you can go through all these things like role, responsibility, etc. So now let's jump to the basic qualification required for this off campus. So bachelor's degree or the higher in operations, business, project management, engineering, etc. So that means B, BTech, BSc, BCA, MSc, MTech, ME, etc. candidates can apply for this off campus. Operations, business, project management, and the engineering in the sense B, CSE, CSIT, ECE, etc. engineering background candidates can apply for this off campus. Management in the sense like MBA, etc. MCA candidates can apply for this off campus, and they have not specified any branch criteria here, provided you must be having 1 to 3 years of experience in this related field. You must be having experience, at least one experience, 1 year of experience, and branch does not matter. So now let's discuss about the knowledge or the skills required for this off campus. So knowledge of SQL or the structured query language, uh, macros or etc. These are the key things. And preferred qualification is the strong automation skills with experience. It will be preferred because they are hiring for the automation engineer. Definitely they will be seeking for the candidate or the guy, those who are having the experience in this particular field, that means in the automation analyst or the automation testing job profile. And SQL Python is required. So basic qualification same as of the previous one. So these are the key things. If you are willing to apply for this off campus, simply click on the apply now button here, then you will be able to apply for this off campus. So I'll be putting the links of this off campus in the description of this video, so that you'll be able to apply for this off campus. So thank you for watching and all the best for your job search.